Hello everyone, my name is Bhadmus, and today I'm going to be talking about 5 tested and trusted ways to improve your social media reach. Okay, so take for example, you've already prepared your presentation, and while presenting, people are not listening, people are not concentrating, people are not even seeing what you are doing. That means there is a problem somewhere. The same thing applies to social media. So you have your post out there, picture your product or your service, but people are not liking, people are not retweeting, people are not sharing, they are not broadcasting what you have on your platform. That means there is a problem somewhere, and that problem is what I can call engagement. That means people are not engaging in whatever you have out there. So what is the problem? So I'm going to be talking about 5 things you can do or you can change to improve that, to get that engagement on your post. So the first thing you need to do is to optimize your social media profile. People who come in contact with your product, your service via the search engine should be able to understand the exact thing you are up to by mere reading your bio. You should also work on your RV. A corresponding picture should be used as your RV, so that people won't need to start asking around, what is it that this guy is into? What is it that this lady is actually selling? You should have a distinct and specific information on your profile, your contacts, your address, your email, things that will assist people to actually get in touch with you properly and do business with you. One other thing you need to work on is creating great content. Trust me, no matter where you are on the surface of the earth, if you have great content, people will come to your profile, people will come to your timeline, people will follow you, people will engage your content. So you need to always put out great content. Great content can have a widely varied lifespan. So the content that you properly did, let's say a year ago, will still be in vogue. People will still watch, people will still share, people will still make use of those things you explain via your timeline. So you need to work on great content. You don't just put out shitty content and expect people to engage you, or expect people to like, expect people to follow you. You need to do proper work. You need to put out proper content. You also need to go visual. That's like the third point. Go visual. Post content that has pictures, videos. I think I nowadays I do more videos. Why? Because people engage more with video. So of course the still picture is still acceptable, people still engage with still picture, but trust me, try doing video, try putting out great content using video, and you'll see the magic. It works like a magic. Get your video done properly, do it where there is awesome lighting, get your audio properly done. So the fourth thing you can do to improve your social media reach is using GIFs and memes. So we have a whole lot of them now. They are all there on the internet. The likes of Odola, the Adekola, Funke Akedele, Ake and Popo, and the likes. So you have a product or a service you want to push, you want to post on the internet. You can always add some of these memes to get people's attention. So you should be able to decide which memes go with this particular content. People want to connect more, people want to engage more when audio visual is actually attached to your content. So you should try that. The fifth and the last tested and trusted ways to improve your social media reach is the use of giveaways. So you have a new product or a new service, or you have a product or a service you've always been known for, and you want more people to connect with you, you want more customers to reach out to you. If you use giveaway, if you start doing little giveaways, trust me, you are going to get more engagement. It's working. In fact, it works like magic. So you have a product, you have a service, why not do a little giveaway? Appreciate people for engaging your post, because there's no way you are going to sell if you have that product or service out there, you have your content out there, and people are not engaging. So you need to get people engaging your profile. You need to get them engaging your post. You need to get them engaging your products and your services. And that is the only way you can convert. It's only when you have people engaging your post, that's when you convert some of this engagement to actual sale. Trust me, if you try any of this, optimizing your profile, your social media profile, creating great content, going visual, using memes and GIFs, and also using giveaways, you are going to notice a huge change in your social media reach. Once again, my name is Bhadmus Habdulakeem. People know me as Bhadmus. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You are going to be getting a lot of content from my channel. Thank you for sticking around. I love you guys.